Check out this 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 has just under 72,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, auxiliary audio input, tow package, driver airbag and OnStar. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.